This certificate looks like it was professionally designed, but I did not spend an hour designing it. I did not open Photoshop, I did not hire a designer. I gave simply ChatGPT prompt and then used Adobe Express to make the final adjustments. And the crazy part, I was able to create the certificate in around 2 minutes. But can we actually do it again from scratch in under 2 minutes? Let's test it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we test AI tools and show how you can actually use them in real life, not just talk about them. And today, we are going to create a professional looking certificate using ChatGPT and Adobe Express. Normally, if you want to create a certificate, there are quite few things you need to do. You need to choose a design, add person name, organization name, internship or course details, date, signature, and make sure everything is in a line. And then you need to make sure the certificate has the correct dimensions. And if you're creating certificate from 10, 20 or even 100 people, doing all of that manually can become really horrible. So I thought, what if I let AI do most of the work? So here, today's challenge. I'm starting with basically nothing. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate the certificate's design. Take it into the Adobe Express, set the actual certificate size, make the necessary adjustments, and let's see if I can the final result in 2 minutes. Ready? Let's start. First, I'm opening ChatGPT. Instead of manual designing everything, I'm going to tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of certificate I want. The important thing here is that your prompt need to be specific. Don't just say create a certificate or create a random etc. Tell AI what the certificate is for, what information it should contain, the style you want and how you want it, like that. And there we go. ChatGPT has generated the certificate design. Now at first, this actually looks pretty good. But there is one problem. This is not ready to print it. At this sometimes people forgot when using AI to generate designs. We need to make sure the actual certificate size is correct or not. Now I am taking this into Adobe Express. This is where I am going to handle the part that AI doesn't automatically get perfect every time. The actual document setup and the final positioning. I am setting the certificate to the actually required dimensions. Now I can adjust the certificate so everything fits properly. And we are done. A simple prompt to a AI generated certificate to the final certificate in Adobe Express. And honestly, it was much faster than doing everything manually. But I want to make one thing very clear. AI doesn't mean you can just generate something and use it blindly. You still need to check the person name, dates, organization names, spellings, dimensions. And if you're using a signature or company seal, you need to make sure those are actually correct. So AI is doing the heavy lifting, but you are still doing the quality control. And this is where I think AI can become really useful. This is not about replacing every tool you already use. It's about combining different tools to make the workflow faster. ChatGPT helped me generate the concept and content. Adobe Express helped me create the final document. And I made sure everything was correct before using it. And if you like this kind of practical AI experiments, where we actually test whether AI can save the time of just talking about it, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to keep testing AI tools and showing you what exactly works. And the interesting thing is, this is not just about certificates. This is about how many tasks you do every day. Documents, presentation, emails, social media posts, resumes, reports, designs. A lot of tasks doesn't require you start completely from zero anymore. Skill is not just knowing how to use AI. It's knowing where AI can save your time. As promised, here the prompt I used. Please check it out in the description. So, can ChatGPT help create a professional certificate in 2 minutes? Yes, but with one important condition. Don't rely on AI blindly. Use AI to speed up the work and then check the finalize the result yourself. If you want me to test any real world task using AI, comment what should I try next. I'll see you next video.